Health is wealth. If you want to be a pilot, you must watch out for your health. That is the most important thing that you should watch out and you should maintain.
Do you remember the time when we were young and wild and free? Do you remember that life we had together? We can fall in love, we can fall in love, we can fall in love again, again. We can fall in love, we can fall in love, we can fall in love again, again. Maybe it's our destiny. Oh, destiny. Maybe it's our destiny. Oh, destiny.
Okay, you are what you eat. So the number one thing about good health is proper diet. Here is Ate Mimi cooking us our food. And that is not proper diet. Okay, this is what I usually eat. Lots of vegetables and meat. Hello everyone, Captain JC here again, and today we will be talking about good health. First disclaimer, I am not a health expert. I'm just somebody who kind of know how to take good care of his health. Well, sometimes because there are times that I get tempted to eat, some cake or some pastries, which are not really good for your health, but a little of something maybe is not that bad. But first, I just finished my workout. As you've seen a while ago, I always find time to work out every day, even though we are on quarantine right now, but I make it a point that every day I do some workout. Well, I gained some weight already because there's nothing to do inside the house, but I make it a point that I exercise. If you want to become a pilot, the number one thing that you need to maintain is your health. Because we maintain two licenses. The first license for me is the ATPL, which is the Airline Transport Pilot License, or for some, the Commercial Pilot License. And the other one is the Aviation Medical Certificate. So, these two must go hand in hand. If one is not valid, then you cannot fly. Even if your license, your ATPL is still valid from CAAP, but you have something wrong with your medical, so they will not issue you a medical certificate, then you cannot fly. We go there at CAAP, or the Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines, every 6 months for ATPL holders. And for commercial pilot license holders, they go there if their age is below 40, they go there every year. So they renew their medical license every year. But for us, me, I renew it every 6 months. That's the validity of the medical certificate. So you go there, they will make some medical examinations on you, on your eyes, your heart, your lungs, ano pa ba? Your teeth. They will check your dental records. So those are the things that they check every 6 months. First question that I get a lot when it comes to medical is about the eyes. Is it okay if you're wearing glasses? Well, I'm wearing glasses, so it's okay. As long as your eyes can be corrected to 20/20 when they examine you, then that's okay. For colorblind test, you have to search the net and search for Ishihara test. That will give you charts, and on those charts, you will see a chart with different colors, and you must be able to determine the number doon sa chart, because if you are colorblind, you will not be able to see the number. Depth perception. So to make it simple to you, you must be able to see in 3D. That means you are able to determine depth, which object is further from you, which object is nearer. So those are the things that you have to prepare when it comes to eye examinations. By the way, ECG, so that's part of your heart also. They check on that. So when it comes to health, there is one secret that I can share to you. To maintain good health, you have to maintain good diet. Yun talaga yung pinaka-importante. So I am a concrete example on that. Back when I was still in the military, I was really buff, batak. Talagang almost every day nasa gym ako. And then after some time, I ate a lot, kung ano-anong kinain ko. And then I became so fat to the point that I was already obese. Until nasa Cebu Pacific na ako. I was still obese. And then there was a time that I told myself, when I was with my wife at Korea, we were traveling Korea that time. Then I looked at all the pictures, all our pictures, and then I saw myself, I was really fat. So at that time I decided, okay, I have to go on a diet, strict diet. So I'm not an expert on this, but I've tried a lot of things already when it comes to diet. But the thing that worked for me is keto at first. So I did keto. Mabilis talaga bumaba yung weight mo sa keto. I was not really keen on doing keto at first because at that time I already had high blood pressure. I was hypertensive. But after doing research, I did keto and then I lost weight, a lot of it. I was really obese. I was 98 kilograms. Now I'm at around 80, 79, 80. But during this quarantine period, I gained about 3 kilos, so I'm trying to lose all those weight again. But the thing is, now I'm not doing keto. I'm just doing some fasting and eating a balanced diet. So the thing is, the first thing that you have to avoid is eating a lot of carbohydrates. That's one thing. It doesn't matter if you eat a lot of meat. Well, I believe in balanced diet, so I don't eat a lot of it right now. But the thing that you have to avoid is carbohydrates. Okay, another tip. Huwag kang tamarin. Kapag ka nanonood ka, I'm addicted to K-drama. And every time I watch K-drama, I set a timer. And then every time that alarm goes on, that's the time that I do leg raises. Or those are the times that I do push-ups. So right now I maintain about 400 push-ups a day. That means when I wake up in the morning, I do 50, and then after kumain, I do 50 again, as long as I can make 400 a day. But I started again because before I was really into gym, so I don't need to do that. But now that I am a family man, now that I'm a bit busy in life and in career, I just do 400 push-ups a day. I maintain that. 50 sa umaga, 50 sa tanghali, and then on the afternoon I do the rest, and until bago matulog. So I just maintain that, and I think it's paying off. So that's my tip for you today, guys. So in order for you to have a successful career and a long career on aviation or in any career that you choose, you have to maintain good diet. You have to maintain good health. Because literally, health is wealth pagdating dito sa pagpipiloto. So, eat properly, exercise regularly, avoid vices like smoking. It's not good for you. It's not cool. Pwede ka uminom, pakonti-konti. That's it. Thank you and good day. Hope you subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I have new videos coming out. Thank you.